Welcome to Dipansh video time, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a scrolling platformer game episode 2. So today we are going to be adding danger. So as you can see, even though I touch my spikes, nothing will happen. So you can add your spikes to make your level more harder. So I will add one right over there. Okay, so you can have as much as spikes you want. So, without further ado, let's get scratching. Okay, so first let's go back into the player sprite and then add an if block. In this if block, we are going to be checking if we are touching the color of the spike right over there. Then we will set scroll X and set scroll Y to 684 and 169. So let's just put this onto the bottom. So first let's check out the spikes. So if I touch my spikes, it restarts. And then if I touch the spike out there, it restarts. And then a spike. Okay, so before checking the other spikes out, we have a simple problem here. Now, if we go too below, we don't get restarted to the start of the level. So as you can see, even if I go right there, it doesn't restart. So let's take out an OR. And then let's just make our scroll X and scroll Y variables visible. So I'm just going to go there and there. So let me just go over there because see, okay. So if our scroll Y is greater than this position, so or scroll Y is greater than 5 to, let's say 5 to 3, then also we will go back to the starting position. So let me just go there and then fall down back. Okay, so it is working. So let's just test if everything is working while we're playing. So spike over here, it works, and then going up there. We already tested this spike, so we can avoid it. No. So now what do we have left? We have left the portal. So for a portal, I'm going to be teaching you a new trick you can use in the next episode. Thanks and bye.